Look at that. And it looks better. I'm going to show you how to apply a weather strip to a door. You can slide the weather strip underneath the door. Slide that weather strip underneath the door. And I'm going to show you how to apply it to the face of the door for under $7. This is a sticky, self-applied. Look at how cool this is. It just sticks to the door. And most doors, just so you know. Look at this. Just use a scissor. You don't even need a tape measure. It'll fill up to 1/2 gap. Rigid vinyl. It's kind of flexible, but I guess you'd call it rigid. Easy to install. Just peel and stick, and they aren't lying. It just goes right on the face of the door. I use the white, and you can see a light coming underneath the door. If you use the dark brown, you wouldn't see light coming through it. I got it from Lowe's. MD Door Suite. $6.88. Everything else is 16, 17, 18 bucks. I'm liking this product. Guys, stay till the end. I'm going to show you exactly how this sticks on your beautiful door and will make it better. Look at this product. It's great. Stay till the end. Just so you know, if you have a metal door, they're hollow inside. If you buy an expensive weather strip to apply to the inside of your door, and you think everything's going to be cool, right? I hate to tell you, the screws aren't going to go through and stick to anything, and you're going to have to put sticky on the back anyway. Under $7, I'm going to apply this in just a few minutes. Look at this gap, guys. That's horrible. And I've been putting up with this and putting up with it. You're probably saying the same thing at your house. I wish there was a way I could just seal this door for cheap. I went down to Lowe's and I found out that cheap is over. Inexpensive, all those type of words shouldn't even be in our vocabulary anymore. First of all, you got to clean the surface really good. I highly suggest you use lacquer thinner. Not the water-based type, the oil-based type. The stuff with the fumes that smell so good, it will run you out of the room. Just like that. Wipe the door face. You're going to get all kinds of dirt and crud off of there. And dry it. Go ahead and cut your weather stripping out without damaging it. This is a good brand. Look at how nice that is. I'm using white because it kind of looks good out here. You don't want to hang over the edge of your door. Right here, if you hang over and you catch it with your foot, don't forget to hit the super thanks. You'll help me out. You'll help the channel out, and I'll have more great videos like this. Your foot, you'll rip it off the face of the door, so kind of stay right about there. I'm just going to measure it by sticking it against the jamb over here. And I think I got it. Just like that. Now you take a scissors and cut it. Look how simple this is. Anybody can do it. It's sticky on the back. Has this protective cover over it. Boy, is this sticky, guys. My finger's stuck to it. Set it just on the threshold. And push it in nice and tight. Go ahead and rub it in a little bit. I have just sealed my door. See the light over here? That's what the gap amounted to, basically. Look at that. And it looks better. The appearance has improved. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. And I'll have more door and lock tips, like a very inexpensive door sweep, coming to you in the future.
Thank you, guys.
I'm shooting a doozy today. All the electronical nonsense you could ever get yourself into. Please subscribe to my channel and you'll get to see me hurt myself getting into this case. I mean, why not, right? Please subscribe to my channel, Door and Lock Tips.